Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077181, because of this error code, that is 0x800f0922 or 0x80240069. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So the first step is to type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. The commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now let the scan complete. This scan will take some time, and once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings and then go to Windows update. Over here you can see pause update option, click on pause. Once pause, resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows update. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows update and then click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, go back, and if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077181. Click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Here you can see version 25H2 in my case. Then check the system type, open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and here you can see the system type, 64-bit in my case. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5077181 over here and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then install the update manually and then restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, you can restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use Microsoft media creation tool. Now for this you can go to this website. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now, and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option over here. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here, click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.